During the pandemic, when the food delivery business is booming, it literally grabs every business mind to grab the opportunity. And three friends just did that. They started up a cloud restaurant to seize the moment but stumbled upon a big rock on the way. We, the Titans, and we are here with the solution. Since the beginning of their operation, Mashita got a huge customer response and positive reviews. Seeing this large number of demand and potential growth, they were planning to expand the business. Then the unexpected and unintentional incident happened which completely changed the customer perception and the business came at a big risk. Now the task is to regain the trust and create a positive brand image for Mashita. From our SWOT analysis, we have found that our strength is we are the only restaurant that solely serves Korean cuisine. We have a strong executive and management, cost advantage, and quality food. As our weakness, we have negative market image and lack of supervision. Our opportunities are increasing demand of food delivery, booming industry creating more opportunities, increasing public demand for Korean food as the young generation is now more interested in Korean culture. As our threat, we have growing government regulations regarding the corona lockdown, and the threat of takeover and competitions are also growing. As our target market under behavioral segment, we have targeted people who seek premium quality orders at least once a week. Under demographic segmentation, our genders are neutral and the target age group is 18 to 35 years. Under psychographic segmentation, we have targeted foodie, active, busy lifestyle and experimental people, and the social economic class target is middle to upper class. From our analysis, we have come to find that the main problem is the negative brand image due to failure in maintaining consumer food hygiene standards, which leads to some other issues like mass dissatisfaction, restriction of potential expansion, and sales drop.
Hello everyone, I'm Navneet Hanutisha. I'm going to start with a phrase today. There is no such thing as bad publicity, and this is our big idea today. We all know that negative news spread faster than positive news. The same thing happened in our case too. The people who didn't even know our name know us today because of the hype created by hashtag #BanMashita. The first phase will be focusing on recovering the brand image. The first phase will have two campaigns, and the name of the first campaign will be We Listen, We Care. The slogan will be No Mashita before you ban Mashita. Here at first we'll post an apology video that will address the situation and show our sincerity towards our customers. After that, we'll bring Rapsandra Chodbhai, the most popular food blogger of current time. He is known to be an honest food reviewer who portrays real scenarios of all the restaurants he visits. He will visit our kitchen and make a video out of it and post it on his channels. At some point of this video, Rapsan will mention a secret coupon code that will allow his followers to avail a 25% discount on orders from Mashita throughout the entire month. This campaign will help us reach a wide range of audience and also regain the trust we've lost. It will also help to get potential customers. On the 10th day of the month, we will announce our second campaign, Shoot the Food. It will be a food photography contest. The slogan will be, we make it, you shoot it. Here, the contestants will be asked to take photos of the food they ordered from us and post it with a review on top. The post with highest likes and share will win a Samsung Galaxy A51. This campaign will generate customer engagement with the brand and reinforce the idea we're trying to communicate, that we are keeping our promise and maintaining the hygiene and food quality.
The focus of the second phase of our strategy is to create a mass awareness and increase the customer engagement through targeting the emotional component of the consumer's mind. In this phase, there will be two campaigns. The name of the first campaign is Hitting the Bullseye, and the slogan will be The moment is yours, and we will help to make it a memory. In this campaign, we will launch an OVC along with 4 static ads. For example, there will be a working woman shown in one of the ads, and the message will be she can certainly have a break time with Mashita. Similarly, in the other ads, we will include situations such as families, their partners, and their siblings, and our audience can tag these important people of their life to show that their bonds can be enjoyed more with Mashita. During the last 10 days of our promotional period, we will be launching the last campaign of our strategy. The name of this campaign is Spice It Up, and the slogan will be Shop Chokher Pani, Koster Hana. This is a spicy ramen eating challenge where we'll be asking our audience to submit their videos of how fast they can eat our most spicy ramen, and they will also be asked to nominate 5 of their friends to take part in this challenge. They will have to share the post and like our page to participate. The winner will get an impressive gift hamper from the restaurant. The objective of this campaign is to keep the hype created by the prior campaigns alive and keep the audience hooked up to the brand. According to our estimation, the channel budget will be 12,74,623 taka, and the cost of organizing the campaigns will be 1,32,000, which makes it a grand total of 14,06,623 taka. We have made all our detailed strategies based on the selected audience, which will allow us to attain our targeted audience in the most cost-effective way. This brings our presentation to an end. Thank you for your time.